Hey, to add music into your HUAWEI Watch Fit 3, all you have to do is just to move into your phone and open the HUAWEI Health application. Then you have to scroll down and find music. Now when you open it, you have to select Manage Music and simply click to add songs on the left bottom corner. Then you have to go into the settings and you have to accept the permission. So go to the permissions. And now we have to go for the Not Allowed permissions and select music and the audio. So click to allow, click confirm, and then you should go back and do this one more time. So click to add songs, and now you can find list of all available songs that you can find on your smartphone. So you can sort from the songs, artists, albums, or for example folders. Now I'm gonna pick this one, and I have to click on the right upper corner of the switcher, and I've got information that these songs will be transferred to our watch. So we can still use our phone during the transfer. We have to click OK, and now at the top we can find this transferring process, so it will take probably around dozens of seconds, or for example even 1 or 2 minutes. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.